Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Google Maps on your Android device and enable device location. Wait a moment for the My Location blue dot to appear on screen. Pan and zoom using 2 fingers until the map shows the area you need. If you know a place name, type it into the search bar and tap the result. For remote spots, switch to satellite view from the layer button for better visual reference. Keep GPS accuracy set to high in your phone settings for best results. Long press the exact spot on the map where you want to drop a pin. A red pin appears and the coordinates display in the search box in decimal degrees. Tap the coordinates in the search box to copy them to your clipboard for pasting elsewhere. Alternatively, tap Share to send the coordinates via message, email, or another app. If the pin is off by a bit, drag the map beneath it to fine-tune the location visually. To save coordinates, tap the pin, then choose Save and pick a list or create a label. Open your places to find saved coordinates later without redropping a pin. Use Share from the pin menu to send coordinates as text or a Google Maps link to others instantly. If coordinates seem inaccurate by several meters, enable High Accuracy Location mode in Android settings. For professional needs, use external.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.